So the first thing you want to do is, of course, find a background. You can go on Pinterest, just search cute backgrounds, and next you want to go on the app PHONTO. So what you want to do is press this camera button, you press play an image, then you press just this, and you click this up here, press custom, and you change it to 1270 and 820. You press done, and then you press this little button up here, you press use, and then you press this little button, you press add image, photo, you press the background you want, then you press done. Okay, and now you're just gonna change it how you like to fit into the square. So after you get that, you just press this and you press save image. Okay, now we're gonna go to eraser app. You're gonna insert a photo. I'll just choose this one, and then you're just gonna erase your background. What you want to do is click background after you finish erasing. You press colors, and you're gonna do green. So now you want to go on motion portrait. You want to insert a photo. Say this one I chose. Okay, there you go. Now it should be moving. You have to press the record button. Okay, now you stop it. And you press save video. Okay. So now you want to go on pocket video. You want to press new project. You press this landscape, and you want to insert photos, all photos, and we'll choose your background. Okay. Okay, so now you want to insert video sticker. You put add camera roll, and now you're gonna do the photo that you have edited a motion picture. Done. Now you wanna press mask and put green screen, and now it should be like this. Just do it how you like it. Okay, and then you press check, and then after that you see how it is. Now you want to add another video sticker. Press add, but do YouTube, and search liquid green screen, and I'll just do this one. Okay. Now what you want to do is edit out what you want. So let's say I want this part. So we're gonna do that. Take this, go all the way. It depends on how long you want it, you know. So I only want that. I'll press done, and you just do that. You press mask, green screen, and okay. So now you want to add your text. You press text, you press add, do dynamic, CD, press really move. Okay, so I typed that, want my font set. Now you want to make it the size you want. Okay. Okay, press done. So you can change the color. I'll change to black. Big. Okay, now check, and this is how it will look like, but I don't want it like that, so I'll do a Q. So I'll Q it in here and out right there. So now it's gonna be like that. Okay, so now you check, and that's it. Okay, and then you save, and that is it.